Hello, all hands on here, bringing you information about HIPAA. We will share with you exactly what the acronym HIPAA stands for and explain what HIPAA means. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act that was passed by the federal government in 1996. We wanted to discuss HIPAA because with the coronavirus or COVID-19 outbreak, we are seeing reports of individuals attempting to contact hospitals to obtain the names of patients who have died. However, the hospital staff is not allowed to divulge that information due to HIPAA requirements. Hospitals must maintain patient confidentiality unless the patient fills out a form and gives express written consent to release information to specific individuals or family members listed by name on that form. Thank you for watching.